guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. For today's video we're going to unbox HOYOMA 250 ampere. Let's begin. So guys, this is HOYOMA 250 amperes inverter welding machine. You'll see what's in the box. Ground clamp, electrode holder, handle and steel brush, strap, Ventilation is used for three general purposes: remove air contaminants from a worker's breathing zone and work area, prevent the accumulation of flammable or combustible gases or vapors, prevent oxygen-rich or oxygen-deficient atmosphere. Inverter welding machine, a welding machine that uses solid-state electronic parts to improve efficiency in the electric current conversion. That's all for today. If you're interested, kindly message us through Facebook, CRV Power Tools and Welding Supply. Thanks for watching.